Hi, this is Jay Sarrett with Almo, coming to you from Las Vegas, Nevada at InfoComm 2018. I want to talk to you about Almo's nobox service offerings, one of which is labor. What we do is offer our integrators labor technicians with skill sets ranging from digital signage, conference room installations, huddle spaces, video conferencing, any audio necessary to complete these projects. And we offer these technicians in one of two ways. We can either augment your existing labor force by adding technicians to your force, or we can offer what we call guaranteed outcomes. With a narrative scope of work and a bill of materials, we can give you a guaranteed outcome price and provide installations anywhere across the United States. We have such a coverage area that very, very rarely are you involved in travel and per diem. Technicians are located locally all across 50 states. So to learn more about these offerings, please visit us at almoproav.com and have a great day.